As one of IMI's Valve Doctors, I'm really pleased to be celebrating the 25th year of this very successful global program and to be sharing a key insight with you, our customers. Over many years, I've worked closely with our clients in the North Sea oil and gas industry. Together, we developed our EEAsy-Seal Fugitive Emission packing solution, which has proven to be successful at reducing harmful gas emissions. Valves account for around 60% of all toxic gas emissions at oil and gas plants. In some refinery facilities, this figure can reach as high as 70% and may come from only as few as 1% of installed valves. In developing EEAsy-Seal, we have tackled the problem of reducing emissions of methane, ethane and propane. The result has been emissions reductions that help keep plant staff safer and protect the environment. In many cases, EEAsy-Seal has also greatly reduced site maintenance requirement and the need for monitoring. So I'm very proud of what we are achieving in making the world safer and supporting our customers. At IMI, we place the customer at the heart of complex engineering challenges. And as an IMI Valve Doctor, I enjoy solving these challenges and delivering breakthrough engineering for a better world.